Snow and throw! Woohoo! Galupad! Welcome back to another vlog. It's our day 5 here in Osaka, Japan. And time check guys, it's 5:39 AM Japan time. So ngayong araw guys, ipupunta na kami ng Nagoya. That's why ang aga namin nagising. So eto na, tapos na actually kami. And bababa na kami for the checkout. Dito na kami sa Shinkansen, sa Shin Osaka Station. Actually, first time ko din mag-Shinkansen bullet train, guys. So, pupunta na kami ng Nagoya in a while. I'm so excited also. Pero, overnight na kami doon.
You can purchase your ticket through Klook in advance. And don't forget to use my promo code ChrisEricaKlook to get up to 5% off. Sinundo na nga kami ng aming bus from Nagoya Station going to Asahi Park. Kasi guys, nung time na to, heavy yung snow and sarado daw yung daan papuntang Shirakawago. So instead going there, pumunta na lang kami dito sa Asahi Park. And habang binabaybay namin yung Asahi Park guys, tingnan nyo naman, super ganda ng dinadaanan namin. Full of snow talaga. Covered yung daan ng snow, yung kahoy. Very happy ako kasi first time ko talaga maka-witness ng snow guys, sa totoo lang.
Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Asahi Nature Highland instead sa Shirakawago kasi hindi daw madadaanan yung Shirakawago ngayon. Yung mga daan is closed, so dito na lang kami instead of Shirakawago. So ganito guys yung ganito dito guys. Taka lang. Hirap. Yan. So, para lang siyang nature park. Maglalaro lang talaga kami sa snow.
Kuha ko ng snow. Hello?
Ah! Ayan, so kuha tayo ng snow and throw! Woohoo! Galupad! Mag-rent kami for slide. Ito siya. 700 yen yung rental fee. Medyo may konting snow na din. Snow. Para lang siyang park. Hindi naman siya ski resort. And nagsusnow. Ayun si Charles. Ayun siya. Hey. Saan ka na? It's snowing.
It is snowing.
Snowing.
Ugh.
Woo! Kaya lagay si Charles. Mag-slide na siya. Ayan. Tingnan natin. Yung activity actually guys is parang ganito lang talaga. Kaya mo dear? Oh. Go there.
The slope is 100 meters long. The brakes use your legs, so please slide with both feet out of the sled. Once you have finished sledding, please move quickly and watch your back. The slope is 100 meters long. The brakes use your legs, so please slide with both feet out of the sled. Once you have finished sledding, please move quickly and watch.
pwede nyong gawin pag pumunta kayo ng Nagoya. And this is very fun, guys.
For the kids.
For the kids and for the kids at heart. Ayan, no. Yan lang talaga yung ano nyo, yung activity. Pero sobrang saya, guys. Saka especially na nag-snow pa kanina. So, very good. Nag-update na yung aming tour guide. Open na daw yung Shirakawa-go. But, opposite siya. Opposite way dito sa mismong park na to. It will take us mga 4 hours to get there. Yan. Ayan, guys. So, eto yung slide park. So much fun here, guys. Consider also guys to come here kasi sobrang saya. Try namin pumunta ng Shirakawa Go guys kung kaya pa sa time. Nag-snow na naman. Ang cute nila guys, o, tingnan nyo. Yun o. Galing nila mag-snow. Ay! Konnichiwa! Ang cute nila guys. Hindi pala ski, slide pala. Lilit pa nito. Yan. Kuha tayo ng snow guys. Sobrang pino. Ayan. Grabe. Sobrang pino niya. Ito. Oo.
No.
Wow. Enjoy ka?
Enjoy. Snow.
Snow.
The real snow talaga.
Oo. Totoong snow na talaga to. Hindi na to man-made.
Hindi na ito man-made. Totoong snow na talaga.
Okay, let's go. Punta na tayo sa next stop.
FYI lang daw. Negative 2 degrees.
Oh. Kain muna kami ng ramen. Kain muna kami ng ramen.
Ay, ano ko rin?
Minutong kami. Ay, sige.
And then, here it is.
Shoyu ramen. Share na kami ni Charles. Kasi baka hindi na naman namin maubos.
Wala ko, wala.
Chopsticks. Ay, chopsticks. Ah, sige. Oh, nagsusnow na naman. Here, broccoli.
Ano nga
Shoyu. Soy sauce ramen. Clear broth lang. Utangin ako na radin ako. Grabe, ang pino. Pwede na tayong mag-shave ice. Tsaka halo-halo.
Ari. Mobra ko din.
Yeah.
また動く歩道からお降りの際は一人の紐や靴の紐カバンの蓋などがコンベヤーに挟まら